Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
Living in the country definitely has its pros and cons, and one of the things my family hates is being bitten by mosquitoes and other bugs when we're trying to play in the pool or have a campfire in the evening. And that's why we love this Solar Bug Zapper from Lorica. I think my favorite thing about this bug zapper is that it's solar powered, so I literally can put it anywhere in my yard and not have to worry about any extension cords or charging it. I love the huge solar panel on it. It absorbs enough sunlight during the day to run for hours in the evening and keep us free from all the biting insects that could ruin our night. It's very easy to clean and comes with a small brush that you can use to clean out all those gross dead bugs. The protective cage comes off very easily, then I simply brush the wires and put it back together for our next fun outdoor adventure. I love that it's very quiet except for when you zap some bugs. How satisfying is that? It has an automatic mode so you can completely forget about it if you'd like, and it held up great in a thunderstorm. It comes with everything you need to either hang it or stick it in the ground, and if you choose to hang it, it has a detachable solar panel so you can put it in the spot that works best for you, and it comes with a 10-foot extension cord. I absolutely love that it's portable. It's lightweight and easy to move around, so I can move it anywhere we are in our yard. So whether you're out by the bonfire or playing in the pool in the evening or just sitting on the porch for dinner, this bug zapper is going to be a must-have for your summer fun.
And that's my point of view.